Oh, hi, how you doing? See, summer strikes and look, we let the beard grow. Uh, I want to tell you that, first of all, I have found the post extremely interesting, and I hope you have too. You've done a great job of thinking about the material and responding to others. So at this point, we come today is per the syllabus. It's basically the end of week one. For those of you that have not yet done so, by the end of tonight, hopefully you will have posted for chapters 1, 2, and 3. We'll have reviewed the evaluation guidelines. We'll have indicated what evaluation article you're going to evaluate and post the draft of the abstract in sections 1 and 2 to discussion board. As usual, if you have any questions, please post them either on discussion board under the appropriate forum, or if you really want to and it's no problem, send them to me directly. Okay, so tomorrow we begin week 2, and that's chapters 5 and 6. Some brave souls have already posted regarding chapter 5. Chapter 5 is of special interest to me since chapter 6, 5 and 6 actually, sampling and measurement. I happen to have been trained, as I mentioned to you, quantitatively, and I guess I overlearned some of that stuff. For those of you that are more qualitative or who are not quote-unquote math people, let me assure you I was not a math person. I kind of like, well, I'm not going to go into my life story as to why I got into that, but basically I did, and I found it interesting. Right now I consider myself, I guess if you had to put a label on it, a mixed methods researcher, since I know a little bit about quantitative methodology, and I also teach qualitative, and most of my writing nowadays happens to be in qualitative. Interesting discussion about generalizability. I appreciate that. That's a very difficult area in terms of sampling with qualitative versus quantitative research. There's no 100% answer to that. For those of you who are interested as you continue your studying and your thinking, I would appreciate your sharing that with me also. Since I mentioned I'm in the process of writing a book right now with a colleague about some of those very issues. Week 2 begins tomorrow, and as usual, you should begin posting for chapters 5 and 6 in the same thoughtful manner you have previously. In terms of my evaluation, you should be posting a draft of sections 3 to 6 on discussion board by next Sunday. I also indicate that if you look under week 2, hopefully, you'll find a paper copy that you can download of exam 1. Which covers chapters 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. And again, to make clear why I do that, my thinking is that by your having your own copy, you can take your time, think reflectively about the answers, and then when I open the exam up on Blackboard, the electronic version, then all you really simply have to do is basically transfer your answers to Blackboard. So I'm trying to, I guess, capture the best of both worlds. Giving you sort of like a regular type copy of a test to think about, reflect on, and then the electronic capability for me, the beauty is that it will be graded automatically. Of course, for those of you that may have taught online, you'll recognize that there's a tremendous amount of work to get all this stuff set up. So anyhow, if there's any other questions, any open-ended questions about the evaluation or my proposal, which will be coming up shortly, I know some of you have been talking about a topic, which is excellent. We can work with virtually any topic. We can fashion a problem statement. You will be getting feedback from me, and I'm sure from your classmates in terms of doing that. So that being said, it's now about, I don't know, over 80 degrees outside. So I intend to spend some time here, and then I hopefully get to spend some time out of doors, and I hope you do too. Okay, any questions, let me know, and thanks again for participating, and I will talk to you later.